Today, I am reviewing the ECOVACS WINBOT W3 OMNI Robot Window Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you first unbox this unit, the sheer size of the station is the first thing that hits you. It is not just a little charger, it is a full-blown base station that weighs around 13 kilograms. If you are used to robot vacuum cleaners, you might expect something slim, but the W3 OMNI needs to house a water tank, a wastewater tank, and a complex system to wash and dry the mop pads. It is built like a small front-loading washing machine for your windows. The build quality feels robust and purposeful, and while it is not a small device to tuck away in a closet, it serves a clear function. The main idea is that you no longer have to manually scrub or wring out dirty pads between windows. You stick the robot on the glass, let it do the work, and then the station takes care of the maintenance. Setting this up is a bit more involved than your typical appliance. You have to ensure you have a power source nearby, and for exterior windows, you need to be mindful of safety. The W3 OMNI uses a power cable that also acts as a safety tether, which is a clever bit of engineering. It creates a vacuum seal against the glass, and once it is stuck, it is incredibly secure. The suction is powerful enough that it stays put even if the power cuts out, though you should always use that safety rope when working on high-rise windows. The initial connection to the glass is reassuring, but it is not a set-it-and-forget-it device in the same way a robot vacuum is. You are responsible for placing it, moving it between panes, and keeping an eye on the process. In terms of cleaning performance, the WinSlam 5.0 navigation system is a noticeable step up from older generations. It maps the window surface, moves in a structured, grid-like pattern, and does a decent job of detecting edges. The TruEdge technology is meant to get into those corners that previous robots used to miss, and while it is more precise than its predecessors, it is still not perfect. You will likely find yourself doing a quick touch-up with a cloth on the very corners or edges after the robot is finished, especially if the glass has been neglected for a long time. It is important to temper your expectations here. This is a maintenance tool for regular cleaning. If your windows are covered in thick, caked-on mud from months of storms, a robot is not going to replace a professional cleaner or a good old-fashioned manual scrub. It excels at removing dust, fingerprints, and light grime, keeping the view clear on a day-to-day basis. The triple-nozzle spray system is one of the standout features. It misting the glass ahead of the mop pad, which helps loosen the dirt before the pad wipes it away. I noticed that on standard, moderately dirty windows, it leaves a very clean finish. However, if the pad gets too saturated or too dirty, you might see some streaking. This is where the station really earns its keep. Because it can wash the pads in that high-pressure vortex system, you are less likely to be spreading grime around. You can choose different modes like fast, intensive, or zone cleaning depending on how dirty the window is. The app provides a decent level of control, letting you monitor the status and adjust settings, though I found that once you get into a rhythm, the physical buttons on the station are often enough. One thing you need to be prepared for is the noise and the time investment. The suction motor is audible, and it takes several minutes per window to get a thorough clean. If you have a house with 20 large, floor-to-ceiling windows, this is going to be an all-day project. You also have to physically move the unit and the station from window to window, which can become tiresome given the weight of the base. It is certainly less physically demanding than standing on a ladder with a squeegee, but it is not a completely passive experience. You have to stay engaged, manage the water tanks, and ensure the robot is safely attached. The cleaning quality is genuinely impressive for a robot, but it is important to be honest about its limits. It is a brilliant gadget for someone who has a lot of glass and wants to maintain a high level of clarity without the hassle of manual labor. If you live in an apartment with high windows that are difficult to reach, it can be a genuine lifesaver and a major safety upgrade. On the other hand, if you only have a few small windows, the setup time and the cost of the unit might not make sense. It is a premium product with a price tag to match, and you are paying for that convenience of the self-cleaning station and the automation features. There are also some subtle annoyances. For instance, the robot can struggle with obstacles like window latches or hinges if they are not perfectly flat, and it can be a bit clumsy on frameless glass if not positioned correctly. The app is functional but not the most intuitive piece of software I have ever used. Additionally, you will need to keep an eye on your water and wastewater levels in the station. It is a system that requires a bit of human management, like most advanced robotics in the home. If you're the type of person who loves gadgets and hates the streaks that come with hand-cleaning glass, the W3 OMNI will probably delight you. It is a sophisticated piece of technology that does the heavy lifting. However, if you are looking for a magical press-a-button-and-return-to-perfect-windows-in-seconds solution, you might be slightly let down by the time it takes and the occasional need for follow-up wipe in the corners. It is not an alternative to professional window cleaning if you're looking for that perfect, showroom-ready finish after months of neglect, but it is an excellent tool for someone who wants to keep a pristine home with minimal effort. It really comes down to the frequency of your cleaning. If you make it a part of your regular home maintenance routine, the results are quite satisfying. It is an investment in time saving and safety, and for the right home, it is a game changer in the truest sense of the word. Just be sure you have the storage space for the station and the patience to learn how to position the robot correctly for the best results. It is a fun, clever, and mostly effective solution to one of the most tedious chores in the home.